Hello, learners. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close your car out of your Volkswagen Polo car. So let's have a look. We are at the driver's side and open the door. And if we're looking at the near of the panels, we can see a lever. Oh yeah, there it is. There are the levers, and this lever we have to pull to us. If we pull it, we hear a click sound, and we can after this, go to the front side of the car because now the car hood is unlocked. This is the first step. Now we come to the first area here, and that means we look at the VW branding. And over it, there is a lever. This lever is on the upside. And this lever we have to push a little bit up. Here we can see the lever. Then we push it upward. And this is the second unlock movement to get the car hood open easily, as you can see. Now the car hood is unlocked and we are ready to lift it up. If we're looking in front of us on the left bottom side, there it is, there is a stick. This stick is to hold the car hood into position while we have to maintenance or have some work in this area at the engine. Here is a hole. This hole can hold our stick into position. There was an arrow on it, you can see. So here now it's time to maintenance, to refill something, to look or repair something, and nothing will drop on you. If you're going to close the car hood, you have to do this in the opposite way. First step is we have to remove the holding stick. We lift a little bit up a car hood. Then we support the car hood with another hand or your hand. Then we get this stick back into position on this area. You can see. Deck, yeah, the job's done. And then we smash down the car hood into the locks. That means 20 centimeters above, we let it drop. Job's done. The car hood is closed. Again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.